Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Recool Hair, and they did send me this bob body wave wig. I think it is in 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so it is 24 inches 13x4 body wave wig, and it did came with the bang. It did came with the bang, but I did go ahead and like fix it properly, like, you know. I did not bleach this wig, by the way, so you guys will see the knots in it, and it still came out cute. I just hide it with some makeup and concealer, but yeah, I didn't bleach it. Anyway, let me just show you guys what came inside the package. So obviously the wig that I'm wearing, and they gave me these clips that came very handy because I don't have any left, courtesy of some. This little, I think it's probably like a headband thingy to go around, some combs, a comb, what else? Oh, stocking cap, which I didn't need because I have one on my head already. Bonnets. Ooh, cute. They sent some lashes, bobby pins. Oh my gosh, you guys are getting the whole 9 yards. Some Recool headband, and some baby hair combs, edge brush. So they're giving you guys pretty much, you know, everything to help with the installation of the wig. Anyways, like I said, this is body wave 24 inches bang wig. The bang did come pre-cut and everything, but I did have to go in and actually like fix it to my likings. But nevertheless, it came out cute. I didn't bleach this wig. I just went ahead and plucked it and installed it because I was too lazy, but it's so cute. It's a give it. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching.
I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ways. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
Guys, every single time I'm supposed to do bangs, I get super nervous because either I don't cut them properly or they just don't flip properly, or maybe I'm just traumatized from my video that I did. Maybe I'm just traumatized from a video that I did a couple years ago, and like everybody was just getting at me like, sis, who did your bangs? Your bangs are not cute. Why are they so straight? Why did you cut them like that? You need to do this, you need to do that. So ever since, I've been traumatized. Like, I've been so afraid of doing bangs, like so afraid. So I'm just gonna use this to bump them. The wig did came with the bang in the front, but obviously it got mixed up from like me plucking the hair and all of that. And I did not bleach this wig. I just couldn't be bothered. But I'm gonna finesse it. Like, all I did was just add makeup. Like, I didn't bleach it. Okay guys, so this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Honestly, I was a bit nervous, but you know what, with the earrings and the little necklace, like, and the makeup, it's giving something. But I don't know if it's a hairstyle that I would actually like wear like that. Like, I don't know. Bangs don't really go well with my face. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I'd like to thank Recool here for sponsoring this video, and the links will be down in the description box. If you guys like to purchase this wig, definitely check down definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.